Alright, game na. Cause of death, drowning. Circumstances of death. Outloading reget sa whole pool ba yan?
Do you want to save?
And at the same time, nasa atin na nga yung bola, ang hirap pa. No? Kumbaga parang, at least if we try to keep it legit as possible.
Action? Hindi ko sure. Meron na kasi ako niyan yung ano eh. Yung MVC3 saka
No? I don't know kung saan nila nakukuha yung kanilang income, no? Or baka dahil sustentado pa sila or what. Pero dito sa atin, no? For you to have at least
daming manik nagpapanggap na multo.
I mean, economically, no? Kapag, syempre, yung budget mo. So, very affordable pumunta ng Japan ngayon because of the situation ng yen, no? At ng economy.
May mga jump scare dito sigurado. Palaban pala yun. Kaya pala.
Base ng operation nila, no? Kung ako yan, mag-aaklas, ay, grabe siya, no? Alam mo, maganda na nga yung setup ng company namin, tapos mag-aaklas ka pa. O, saan ka pa? Work from home, all the way.
From that range, huh?
Masarap dyan gutumin yung mga sundalo pag pinasabog mo yung mga rooms. Yung supply room nila. Pag pinasabog mo, wala silang makakain.
I could check in on your...
Less than during a parachute jump, and the arm can handle up to 500 pounds.
So you're planning on going over the border in a single combat talent?
She's equipped with two 6-barrel.
Kailangan laging well-maintained and tabi sila, no, and easily accessible para sa mga tao, no. So malaking undertaking siya, and kung walang monetary benefit.
Think she can run this scorched out forged dump? Ha! Knock yourself out.
Get out.
Oh, don't want you, don't need you.
Ang takot lang. Yung putang ina, namamalo pa kayo, nananakot na nga kayo.
Because it's kumbaga yung setting, it's because within the solar system, no, tapos nasa space, and syempre barila, no, part na yan.
Explosives opened up a sinkhole, dropping them into the tunnels.
Which they followed to the mine and out into the Daunt.
Right. Aside from the rebels, if anyone is to blame for the
Less than during a parachute jump, and the arm can handle up to 500 pounds.
So you're planning on going over the border in a single combat talent?
She's equipped with two 6-barrel.
Nag-Disneyland kami, pero hindi ko parang feeling ko hindi sulit yung Disneyland. Parang siyang Enchanted Kingdom, no? I don't know, siguro baka timer nating magtagal lang konti. Kasi wala nga tayong waiting screen, di ba? Paano nga ba gagawin to? Siguro maybe we can share this.
Oh well, now at least you have some backup.
Mga recent na nangyari sa PS, no, yung tipong nagkaroon ng ano tawag doon? Nagkaroon ng parang down or ano tawag doon? Yun nga, yung bagsak na presyo ng yen. No, mura yung yen ngayon. So that's why very affordable pumunta ng Japan ngayon.
Sorry I'm late.
That's the way!
Oh, wait lang. Ay, marunong na si Claudie mag-talk.
The boss, with Colonel Volgan's help, stole 2 experimental nuclear shells and took them with her as gift when she defected. Then, shortly thereafter,
You'll have to come back later.
I think you have me confused with someone else.
Oven didn't send you?
No.
Oh, my apologies. It's just that his... HQ.
This is HQ.
Patrol here. No problems detected.
Understood. Return to your position.
Walang dal dito.
Ano pa ba? Basta anything about useful thing na pwede mong magamit, 'di ba? And could attribute a value. So yun yung
Who can take my hand in the flood?
agad na solution for the case, no? So yung solution na to, pwede pa tong mag-evolve at magkaroon ng detalye, 'di ba? Details. So parang no? So parang basta mga binayaran ko doon, yung mismong Disneyland para mga 2.5 or to 3K. Diba? So isipin nyo 2.5, 3K, no? Parang doble ng Enchanted Kingdom ngayon. Doon sa kung saang platform siya binili. Diba? So ngayon, idea dyan. So, si Sony, no, nag-mint sila ng NFT. So yung game, no? Ang mangyari doon, yung hello. Or yung parang nangyayari, no, sa game preservation, it's because of the DRM. Kasi ang nangyayari dito is that kailangan ma-make sure nung
Bitch. Hanson, hello. Dexter Cabrillos, PC po gamit nyo. Hindi po sir, PS5 po.
Excellent. Amazing. I never.
no? Especially kapag nasa Tokyo ka, no? Pero pag mga tipong yun nga outside the city or parang mga less city no than Tokyo. Wala lang. I mean,
Ano ba yung bag?
kapag tambay ka, no, or unemployed ka, no, may mga vices or may possible may mga vices ka, no? Sa ibang bansa,
Freeze!
Flying over Pakistan. Altitude 30,000 feet.
Approaching Soviet airspace.
20 minutes to drop off.
Commencing internal depression.
HQ.
Control here. We've lost sight. Who's that?
Uy! Ano nga ito nun?
Pursue an engagement.
Of what? Falling on your ass?
I was just helping it.
Yes, well, I'm sure Ulvin was thrilled.
video game magazines and books prior to the digital revolution. So isa-isahin natin to, no? So marami. Kumbaga yung game preservation na sinasabi natin, no? Hindi lang siya
This could be even hotter than Cuba.
I don't like it. Something about the whole thing stinks.
I agree. You'd better hurry.
Sokolov ran off by himself, but I'll catch up to him.
We're counting on you.
What's this?
Oh, wait lang guys ha. Share ko lang yung stream natin.
How come Olvin's in charge? Don't these
Try telling all he brought in all fire and
Who's Corvind?
he's their foreman. The kind that knows how to deal
Si
with
Por.
In the flood, in this emptiness, in the storm, if I
He has not yet found an emotion to carry into battle.
What are you talking about?
Think you can pull the trigger?
What do you want, Ulvund? Some kind of payment?
My dear magistrate, you think I can be bought? If you want that whistle blown, all you have to do is have your soldiers removed.
Hello, gandang gabi, Sir.
But look.
Better luck next time.
Let's hope so. But seriously, don't forget that you were like that until just yesterday. In fact, you really shouldn't even be on this mission.
Bukas na.
Yan. That's the new workforce, no? Mag-vlog na lang ako, di na ako magpa-podcast. Ay, grabe siya, no? Wag i-rule out na outright kailangan gawin, no? So, it's something na it's hard to swallow, no? It's a pill na parang it's hard to swallow. Na parang sabihin mo na,
Haba yung intro na yan.
HQ.
Patrol here. We've lost sight. Who's that?
Uy! Ano nga ito nun?
Huh? Who's that?
Parang walang loot na lumalabas ah. Kasing na me.
Madaling mabentahan yan, no? Especially if, you know, bigyan mo na ng konting credentials yan eh. Oh, IGN, di ba? The longest running BS.
Ayaw ma-change siya talaga. Yun.
Why? Apparently, they're conducting a field test of the weapon, but it's our best chance to get him back. This mission would never have been possible if he was still in the research facility. This is
magpapakawib ako doon, bahala kayo. Bahala kayo doon, di ba? So ano ngayon kung merong stigma, no? Bahala sila. Basta ako, weeb ako for that, for that too.
Wait, save muna natin, malayang. Mga tuloy-tuloy na.
This tastes great. Not too bad.
Sabi, paingay ba eh. Kanyari.
May nakita akong Hozukidal. Asan niya? Yun. Kayo kung mananakot kayo, hindi nyo nangahampas pa kayo na may apoy.